All right, good morning. It is about 10:06 in the morning right now. I'm going to head out and try to catch a sunrise on top of the hill over there. So, yeah, let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me, and here we go. Okay, that was a really nice sunrise this morning. Beautiful. And I was able to learn one more thing about the drone. I tried to fly it around the hill from the access road down below it, and it lost contact with the drone. The controller did. So I was able to find out that the return to home feature works when the drone gets disconnected, and came right back. So that was great. Really nice to find that out. And let's see what else. Yeah, not too much. Like I said, it's been a nice sunrise, and so I'm gonna head back. Gonna work on my whole portion of my calisthenics routine, and first get in a nice hike though. And so I'll talk to you soon. All right, here we go. Okay, just to give you an indication of how big these elk are. Here's the size of my hand. Here's my hand in comparison to a elk print there. There's the hoof going straight in. You can see the two closed sections of of the hoof. And yeah, I was thinking I was gonna, say at one point that I don't think that the elk. Yeah, here's a good print right here. That the elk will actually go in the snow. That they typically don't. And I think that's generally the case. I'm not sure why. I think maybe they don't like the fact that it makes too much noise or whatever it is. But they seem to avoid it, it seems like. But these are some good tracks right here. Yeah, there's another good sign of there's another good track right there. So yeah, just to give you the indication of the size of these animals. Okay, back from my morning hike this morning, and nice hike out there. It was very nice weather. 8.68 miles in a time of 3 hours and 7 seconds. 3 hours, 7 minutes, 40 seconds. Pace of 21 minutes and 37 seconds per mile. And burned up 896 calories and did 17,182 steps. So nice workout. Yeah, I think I actually messed it up a little bit because I kept the watch recording while I was using the drone on top of the hill there. So yeah, it's a little bit not quite accurate. Anyway, heading into my pull session for my calisthenics workout. So here we go. Okay, another good workout today. So yeah, more core was pretty intense there at the end. Hard to hold that last hollow back hold there. So yeah, continue on with my day now. Again, if you're interested in hollow back holds, if you're interested in calisthenics training and barefoot shoe style hiking and animal based diet, then you come to the right place. Feel free to comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.